deep and mysterious tone. We humans think we know the surface of our planet, but we are often wrong. Pause beneath this vast blue expanse lies a hidden world shrouded in total mystery. A world that rarely sees the light of day. Pause today. We aren't exploring with a submarine or a high-tech drone. We are doing something completely different. We are going to see the ocean through the eyes of its true residents. Exciting and informative tone. I have carefully mounted a high-tech 4K camera onto the back of this fish. Pause, it's about to take us on an incredible journey. Deep into the heart of the blue, where humans haven't set foot for thousands of years. Pause as it dives deeper. Notice the pressure changing and the sunlight slowly fading away. Our mission has officially begun. Long pause, background music swell. Awe-inspiring and emotional tone. Incredible! Just look at the vibrant beauty of this coral reef. It's like a festival of colors down here. Pause, thousands of neon fish are swimming past us. Musalent harmony. Pause, nature's hidden architecture is truly beyond our wildest imagination. Even a majestic sea turtle glides by, carrying the wisdom of the ages in its ancient eyes. Long pause, relaxing underwater sounds. Intense and urgent tone. But don't let the silence fool you. In the deep, silence often means a predator is near. Pause around every corner. Danger lurks in the shadows. Wait! Look to the left. Pause. Do you see that silhouette? Is that a shark? Pause, our guide is now swimming for its life, racing against the ultimate predator of the sea. This is the raw, heart-pounding reality of survival in the wild. Long pause, intense action music, low, mysterious, and hook tone. We've narrowly escaped the jaws of death, but the journey is far from over. Pause, we are now heading into a darkness that will give you chills. We are entering the midnight zone, where the sun's rays can no longer reach. Pause, what is waiting for us in the pitch black? What ancient secrets are hidden in the silent abyss? Closing hook. Stay tuned for part 2 of this incredible journey, because the real mystery of the ocean is just beginning.
Until next time, keep dreaming and keep questioning everything you see. The truth is out there, waiting to be discovered.
Dark and mysterious tone. Welcome back to the abyss. Pause, we have left the world of sunlight behind and entered the twilight zone. Down here, the water pressure is immense, and the silence is almost deafening. Pause, we are now thousands of feet below the surface, exploring a place where time seems to stand still. Mystical and awestruck tone. Look at these incredible creatures. Pause, in a world of total darkness, they have learned to create their own light. This is bioluminescence. Pause, like neon signs in a galaxy under the waves. These organisms glow with alien colors. We are witnessing a side of nature that few humans will ever see. Long pause, show glowing deep-sea creatures. Epic and cinematic tone. As our guide swims deeper, we discover the ghosts of human history. Pause, a massive shipwreck, resting silently on the ocean floor for decades. Pause, it's a haunting reminder of the world above, now reclaimed by the deep sea. Pause, can you hear that? Pause, that deep, low frequency is the song of a blue whale, echoing through these underwater canyons like a ghost in the dark. Long pause, whale sounds and shipwreckage. Serious and emotional tone. But even here, in the farthest corners of our planet, we find the scars of humanity. Pause, a floating plastic bag. A deadly, abandoned fishing net. Pause, it's a silent, heartbreaking warning that our oceans are in grave danger. Pause, we must learn to protect this fragile, hidden beauty before it vanishes forever. Long pause, emotional music. Heroic and concluding tone. Our journey is finally coming to an end. Our guide is turning back, heading toward the surface, back to the warmth of the light. Pause, mission accomplished. But remember, the ocean still holds millions of secrets we have yet to uncover. Pause, and we are just getting started. Outro. Thank you for joining this journey with Global Dream Bridge. If you were amazed by what we found, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Pause, until next time. Stay curious and keep exploring.
Thank you for joining us on this de-exploration here at Global Dream Bridge. If your mind was blown by these infinite possibilities,